Meet Cindy. She's the host of her own radio show about managing money in a down economy. She chats with experts in the field, takes callers in real time, and enjoys recognition as a thought leader on a timely and important topic. Cindy's not a high-powered media mogul or a celebrity personality. She's a woman with a passion who shares her expertise at Blog Talk Radio, the world's largest online radio network. She broadcasts from an end table in her kitchen. Her studio is her phone and a computer. Cindy easily publishes to her blog and iTunes, as well as sharing across all of her social networks. Her show even appears in Google search, so her reach is always growing. People around the world are both tuning in live and listening to her archived shows. Amongst a tight-knit community of hosts covering small business, health, politics, social media, real estate, and many other topics, Cindy found her niche and an audience followed. So what are you waiting for? Bring your expertise and give a voice to your passion at Blog Talk Radio, where millions of hosts and listeners gather.